Hello everyone, welcome to this Learn Anyone channel. So today we will discuss ABAP dump. Okay, so if you are a functional consultant, ABAP consultant, or any consultant like a beginner, professionals, okay. So while working, suddenly SAP gives a error like some dump, okay, which is you don't know why it is happened. So today in this video I am going to show you step by step how to analyze your ABAP dump or your analysis and troubleshoot if in case you will get a ABAP dump, okay, in the real time while practicing, right? So I'm going to show you. So if you are a beginner, practitioner, or any freshers, so this video is for you, so please be there till end of the session. So this is a SAP system, okay, and this is a command prompt and one of the T code for SAP dump, how to analyze, okay. So we have a ST22, that is a T code if in case the system gives ABAP dump, okay. So ST13 is the T code which can analyze and troubleshoots, okay, why it happened and what is the proposal solution and what should you do, right? So let's go ahead and show you. Yes, so you can see ABAP runtime error. This is the like we have it. You can see here today, yesterday. So today we got a 16, you know that runtime error. Yesterday got 27 runtime. Okay, and our selections like for which particular date timing. Okay, you have a like issues in the system. So let's assume today we have a right 21st July and we have, and you also put the restrictions like which user, like same user or different user or any user. So you can on selection as per your requirement, you can give it to here, okay. And you have to either reset, means you can give another detail, okay. And if in case this is the detail is okay, then click on start button. So no dump, it's saying today there is no any dump. So I'm going to go back and check today dump. Yes, we will have, see, 21st, so many dumps are there, means today. And this is a timing, this is application server, and this is the user, right? So many users, okay, not individual or your user, any user have a dump, you can see depend upon your selections. And what is the here client and what is the runtime error, you can see here. Exceptions, sometimes there is some background code, okay, and you if you violate, I mean that exceptions will generate as per the background code. So here we have exceptions, okay. If you, let's say example, if you have some material, if you are entering some material which is invalid, so it gives the dump. So that is the exception in the background code. If you give the wrong material, okay, so it will automatically give the exception error. So this is the list of exceptions. While see illegal types, illegal forms, illegal types, so these are the background code. If you are giving wrong or something mistakes by mistake, so it gives the error. So this is the, we have exceptions. Now cancel program, so these are the program which can cancel, I mean while running, so this program has cancelled, right? And this is the like work process index, and this is a transaction ID, I mean which ID I got a stop or gives the error. So let's assume I'm going to one of the first one, syntax error, right? So I'm going to analyze. So just double click on this. Yes, see, in the right side you will see the category, runtime error, ABAP program, application component, and date and time. Each and every detail would be here. It would be very easy to analyze, troubleshoot, okay, why happened, and you can avoid in the future as well. So if you can see system environment, if you can see run system environment, the first option is a system environment. So you can see the all the detail would be here. What are the system environment currently, and use and transaction, what transactions you use to get the this error, basically syntax error, right? So you can check here what program and what are the like T code you used. Like I have used SE38. So while SE38 it gives the error, right? So you can one by one say now user view what happened. So it's error in ABAP application program, right? So which program? This is SAP Lab DB. It is got trouble, okay, I mean going to terminate, okay, you can see include, this is the include program. So this is a syntax error basically happened. See end or end if, while some program is going to okay give is the error, means syntax error would be there. This is the analysis, this is the reason. Even you can see the runtime error, you can see syntax error, even here it was given, and program name is Z as HR loop, right? So similarly you can, what you can do, you can see you can do correct the error by running the syntax check, okay, while writing the program, or like if you have written you can check that program and you can syntax checks, okay, if it is really some error, so you can correct it, okay. So this is how we can troubleshoot, right? So where is and which, okay, so even you can see, even if you go to the ABAP developer view, short text, right, analysis, error analysis, right, how to correct, this is the error analysis, like syntax error in the program, right? So where is the error? Like end is not accepted, this is the, see, there is a clear given here over here, right? So how to correct, which is more important, okay. Now analysis is done. Now I'm going to check how it correct. So you can check the complete this one. So it says like how to correct these issues, and information where it is produced, you can see program this one, and this is we have a terminate the like particular line number 9, okay, in the program, and this is the code where you got source, these are the source, we have it, content of the field, you can see where it is got, this is a change ABAP, okay. So now selections variable, so these are the, I mean in depth, if you go, if you analyze and you can just find out the root cause, you can, okay, you can go to the program and correct the program, right? If it is like standard program, I mean, okay, so you can't correct it, you have to report to the SAP, like you have to raise like a tickets to SAP, and check, they will check it and get back to you. If it is custom program like you have written or developer have written, so you accordingly you can contact your developers and ask to, this is the error and please correct it. So these are the, like we have a directory of applications, everything. So these are the complete detail over ST22 while working, and do not panic, right? Because this is some reason behind, that's why it's give the error. It may be the different reason, it may be your program syntax error, it may be your incorrect uh, data you have enter in, if in case you incorrect process you follow, okay, there is multiple reasons. So this is the ST22 is the T code where you can check step by steps what is the issue, what happened, how to correct it, where is that error, and whom to contact, everything would be there. So please make sure going forward, if you are getting suddenly any dump, do not panic, contact your, first of all, itself you have to analyze it, and based on this analysis you contact either your trainer or your expertise, or you either, I mean your SAP or whatever the who is the developer. So based on that you can follow and do the corrective action on that. So that's the process we follow, and every consultant should follow this process. So going forward, please like, share, subscribe this channel. Hope this channel, this video is valuable for you. So please like and share this, okay, in this, okay. And going forward, please, if in case any query, please mail us and comment us. Thank you, bye.